This is Beehive Campground. It is June 2nd, about 7 a.m. and this is my walkthrough. There are, I believe, 6 official sites here, but people are in unofficial sites as well. So I will start here on this end. All of the sites seem to be level. They're all dry camping. That's a spot you could fit in. There was a camper there this morning. Another unofficial site here. Third unofficial site. Access road they don't want blocked. This is site number 6. Site number 5. This is site number 4. This is site number 3. This is us in site number 2. We were almost perfectly level to start with. And finally, this is site number 1. There was also a motorhome parked in the road here this morning when I got up. And there's another unofficial spot between 1 and 2 here.